Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good at preparing for SBIClerk2022, and I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBIClerk2022, and you can join with me and make your timetable. So if you can start your preparation from today onwards, you will definitely clear your prelims exam. So start your preparation from today onwards, and my daily to-do list videos are very helpful for all our upcoming exams, and you can join with me. And if you have any doubts, you can connect me in my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description, and join my Telegram group for more daily updates and latest updates. And let's start your preparation from today onwards for SBIClerk2022. And let's go to our tomorrow's to-do list. As usual, before 9 am, revise all basics of each subject like squares, tables, formulas, and some brief notes of your weak areas. Revise all that once before 9 am. And also attempt English quizzes from Adda 247 website. They provide daily quizzes for all subjects, and you can attempt English quizzes from that website, and those quizzes are very helpful for all our prelims exams. So attempt all those quizzes. After that, give your time for watching editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel or from Murthy Sir's YouTube channel, and you can choose either one of those. And from that editorial video, note down all vocabulary words, rules, idioms, and phrasal verbs. Note down all that ones from editorial videos. And after that, on daily basis, attempt a prelims mock test from one of source, either SmartKida or textbook or Olibot or any other source. So attempt a prelims mock test on daily basis. After that, give your time for practicing quant and reasoning sections for at least 2 hours. And from 2 days, we are watching basic level videos for the topic of simple interest. And tomorrow, practice PDFs and attempt quizzes from Byju's website. They provide free quizzes and PDFs. So attempt all those for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And also complete the simple interest topic in next 3 days. And also give your time as much as possible for practicing all these PDFs. And for reasoning, last week we are all completed the puzzle series of all types, and from tomorrow onwards watch videos by Ankush Lamba sir of 100 puzzle series, and those videos are very helpful for all our prelims exams of reasoning puzzles of all types. So watch those videos for this week. And in afternoon we planned for mains preparation, and who are beginners, they all revise the morning schedule and practice PDFs for your weak areas, and also attempt quizzes from any website of your weak areas, and also give 1 hour for English section. And who are preparing for mains, from 2 days we are practicing PDFs from Adda 247, SmartKida and Exam. And tomorrow practice PDFs from Practice Mock and Olibot. They provide free PDFs and also quizzes. So practice all those for your mains preparation, and those are very helpful and are freely available for our mains preparation. So practice all those for this week, and give your time as much as possible for your mains preparation for practicing all these PDFs and quizzes. And who are beginners, they give 1 hour for English section, and for that watch videos from any YouTube channel for the topic of close test. And also we have free PDFs for English section from Byju's website. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow practice PDFs for close test topic from this website. And in evening give your time for reading current affairs, and read daily current affairs. And also we completed last week February 3rd week current affairs, and from tomorrow read February 4th week current affairs from the sources of Affairs Cloud or Study IQ or Adda 247, and you can choose either one of those. And my suggestion is Affairs Cloud is the best to read current affairs, and that's all for current affairs. And after that, before going to sleep, attempt second prelims mock test of the day, and analyze the 2 marks of your weak areas where you are lacking, and note down your all weak areas and prepare some brief notes for the next day preparation. And that is for tomorrow's to-do list. And be consistent and confident on your preparation, and keep fighting with your preparation. Thanks for being with me. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates.